Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rock candy with Kool-Aid. First, gather your ingredients: sugar, water, and your favorite Kool-Aid flavor. You'll also need wooden skewers, heat-safe jars, a saucepan, and clothespins. Cleanliness is key for successful crystal growth, so make sure all your tools are spotless before you begin this fun and easy project. Next, we'll prepare the supersaturated sugar solution. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of water with 4 cups of granulated sugar. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Do not boil. Once clear, remove from heat and stir in 1 packet of your chosen Kool-Aid for a burst of color and flavor. Now, let's set the stage for crystal growth. Dip your wooden skewers into the warm sugar solution, then roll them in a little extra granulated sugar. These tiny sugar particles act as seed crystals, giving the rock candy a starting point. Suspend each skewer into a heat-safe jar using a clothespin, ensuring it doesn't touch the bottom or sides. Carefully pour the warm Kool-Aid sugar solution into each jar. Patience is a virtue for this step. Place your jars in a cool, undisturbed location and let them sit for 5 to 7 days. You'll notice crystals slowly forming on your skewers each day. Once they reach your desired size, carefully remove them and let them dry completely. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade rock candy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.